Alright, today I'm taking a look at the Flameless taper candles. Okay. Look at that. It has a very cool look to it, and I really like what they did with the wick, and they made it black so it looks like it's already kind of burnt. And there's like a texture here. I'll try to make it a little darker so maybe you can see it. Might make it a little easier to see, but yeah, there's that really cool just like drip effect on here. So this looks like everything of a used candle. And it definitely feels like a wax, like it feels like a light wax. And then on the bottom here we got our on and off button. We can loosen that up. And that is where the batteries go. So I'm using two AAA batteries. And I'll thread that back in. And there we go. And there's a nice little effect to it. So we also have a remote. And it actually comes with two remotes, which is kind of cool. Pull out the little plastic tab. I hit off, on. We got 2, 4, 6, and 8 hours. So we can put it on for 2 hours. You can see how it blinked. So at this point, it's going to stay on for 2 hours. So if you want to have like a nice dinner or something like that and then not have to worry about it, you can just hit that button and you can head straight out afterwards. So we've got a light. So right now it's just kind of a straight light. And then if we go to candle, then it kind of fades in and out. Then I can change the brightness so I can dim it. And I do like that it flickers every time I hit the button. That way I know that it actually took that command. Can make it brighter. There you go. I think that's going to be more effective if we actually just have it on standard light. But yeah, that's pretty cool. So these things actually look pretty good. I like the effect where it the light just kind of slowly dies off down the candle. So I'm going to hit light. All right, so that's just a nice solid light. If we go back to candle, we got that nice little dimming function. So I really like that. So go back to light. So I think that is max. And that looks like that's minimum. Yeah, that is really cool looking.